Hi guys. So as you can tell, I'm still sick. I had to go to the doctor's yesterday and I had to get 2 breathing treatments. My oxygen level was down to 40%. So crazy. But they were able to get it up to 95% and I did feel so much better afterwards. I, as you guys know, have been sick since what's it today? Today's Saturday, so it's literally been a week today. Pretty much have been in bed other than having to take the kids to and from school a couple days because hubby was able to do that. So I finally started antibiotics yesterday and felt so much better this morning. Still really sick though. Just coughing a lot, having to catch my breath and whatnot. I'm wearing a mask because I don't want everybody in my house getting sick and this just like going back and forth. Hi, Stella. So, but I was itching, oh my gosh, to clean the crap out of my kitchen. It just irritates me and puts me in a bad mood when my kitchen has food everywhere. It's really annoying and I just wanted to like breathe fresh air in and open my windows and just disinfect and just clean, and I did it. So yeah, so anyways, that's what this video is about today. Like I said, I'm wearing the mask because I don't want everybody getting sick still. And so yeah, so just cleaning my kitchen, cleaning the dishes, cleaning and picking up the living room, vacuuming. So come and clean with me. Okay, so as you can see, my kitchen is a disaster. Of course, this is what happens when I'm sick. Dishes pile up. This was breakfast combined with dinner and lunch that was from the other night. I managed to throw ribs in the crock pot, so hubby had something to have for dinner that's leftover. Cookie sheet, rib crud. There's stuff in my stove. There's leftover mac and cheese in a pot. There is just dishes piled everywhere. And my sink is disgusting. My cutting boards were nasty. So I finally had enough energy today. I'm using my Method anti-bac cleaning solution that I absolutely love. I just found out that they have different scents. I think there's like a grapefruit scent I want to try next once I'm done with this one. But anyways, I'm just spraying and cleaning my sink up before I start my dishes. So right here, I'm just getting all the food out, rinsing it down the sink. And like I said, I have a mask on because I am still sick and I'm trying to avoid everybody getting sick. And we just, go back and forth from being sick. So here again, I'm just washing everything, cleaning all my dishes. That Relax Ray Dunn coffee mug and that all white Starbucks coffee mug. I love those, are my favorite mugs. I got those actually at a thrift store for like 40 cents, which is unheard of, especially Ray Dunn, well, especially Starbucks too, I guess. So anyways, I'm just finishing up all my dishes so that I can put them in my dishwasher. And yes, I wash my dishes thoroughly and I still use the dishwasher. There's so many people that use their dishwasher. They don't even rinse off their dishes and they just put their stuff in the dishwasher. And the commercials always say that you can do that or show that you can do that with their detergent. That's never been the case with us. I feel like they still come out dirty. So we always wash and scrub all the food off and wash them up really good, hand wash them. and then we still load them into the dishwasher so that they can get sanitized, even though I do use an antibacterial dishwashing soap, and I also use the Method spray. So right here is the Method Anti-Bac. You can see it's a multi-purpose. It's for everything. I use it on everything. I'm going to clean my stove. Although my stove is pretty clean, there was just needed a little bit of a wipe down. Okay, now that the dishes are all done, I'm just cleaning off our counters. We had tons of medicines because obviously we've all been sick, so I'm just cleaning my counters, wiping down my cabinets, cleaning my table, fixing my little Valentine's Day decorations. Now I moved on to the living room, just cleaning up all of Harper's toys that she had everywhere. I didn't even know where to start, but just folding up her blankets. She had blankets, her shoes, socks, toys, everything. She takes over the living room all the time. So just cleaning everything up, wiping down the TV console, and fixing some of my decorations, vacuuming everything up. And there you go, my living room and kitchen is nice and clean. I have my windows open. Everything is sanitized and wiped down. Although there was a break in between, I kind of took a little bit of a nap. As you could tell, I took a shower and changed my clothes, but this was all in the same day. It was just kind of broken up because I was starting to cough a lot. But it felt good to finally clean my house and start feeling a little bit better. So I'm on the mend. There's Stella, of course. But thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. This coming week, we should be coming up with more videos now that everybody's healthy and on the mend to recovery.